Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing, simple, easy but delicious chocolate cereal cake. This turned out so delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. I'm using 6 eggs for this recipe. I'll separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. So please bear in mind, if you're separating it, you do not want any egg yolk in the egg whites. After, I'll set it aside and work with the egg yolks. So to the egg yolks, I added in sugar. I'll whip this with my whipping machine or with my hand mixture, and then I'll whip this until the color changes to light pale yellow. You want it well combined. That's what you're looking for. After, I'll go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients, which is flour, salt, a pinch of salt, baking powder, and coconut extract. You can use any flavor of your choice. You can use vanilla, orange extract, or pineapple extract, but today I went in for coconut extract. I then added in milk and oil. I added in the last of the flour. I'll stir this together till well combined again and set it aside. So this is the consistency you're looking for. Once everything has come together, I'll set it aside and work with the egg white. To the egg white, I'll add in sugar. So I'll add in the sugar little by little whilst mixing it. I'll wait this until it's firm. So this is what you're looking for. It should be something, a stiff cake like this, something like this when you are done mixing it. I'll set that aside as well. So the cake batter, I'll take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the cake batter and then about 6 tablespoons of the egg whites. So I'll mix this together to well combine. That's what I'm going to use to design the beginning, to design the surface. So once everything has come together, I'll bring my baking tray and then I transfer it into a piping bag. All you have to do is to do any design with this, any design at all of your choice with this, and then when you are done, you add the rest of the batter. But if you want to make this shape, it's very simple. After, I'll bake this for at least 2 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. 2 minutes, not more than that, for 150 degrees Celsius. Once it's baking, I went ahead to mix the rest of the cake batter. So you have to go ahead and mix it till well combined like this, and then I'll mix it with the other cake batter. The rest of the cake batter, I'll add it to the egg white, mix it to well combined, and then I'll add in the chocolate one as well. So it's like you're making a chocolate cake here, but you cannot add in all at once just like that. If not, it might not mix well. Just be patient whilst you are doing this recipe. It's like when you have time for it, the cake also have time for you. So let's go ahead and then add it gradually as demonstrated in the video. Once everything is well combined like this, by then the cake has baked. So as you can tell, it didn't brown, nothing. You only want to just make it cooked a little bit. I baked it at 150 degrees Celsius for only 2 minutes. When done, tap to take out any excess bubbles and bake it at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. Whilst the cake is baking, I'll go ahead and work with the filling. So for the filling, I'm using whipped cream. I'll add in cream cheese and a little bit of sugar. I'll use powdered sugar. So I whipped it until it's almost firm, and then I added in the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and desiccated coconuts. I went ahead and mixed everything together to well combined, and it should be something like this when you're done. Just like this, something like this. I'll keep this in the fridge until it's ready to be used. Once the cake is done baking, I'll go ahead and flip it, transfer parchment paper on it, and then roll it. So guys, just look at this amazing, just look at the outcome of this cake. I'll then roll it whilst it's still warm. Make sure you roll it whilst it's still warm. If you don't roll it when done and you're about to roll it, it'll get like it will break into pieces. So please roll it and then keep it for it to cool completely before adding in the filling, just like so. Once it has cooled down completely, I'll open it and then add in the filling. Basically this is it. It's simple, easy, and you are ready to go. This cake is soft. It turned out so delicious, guys. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. That's it. It's simple, easy, and so delicious. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. Just look at this cake. It's moist, it's delicious. Name it. Just name it, guys. Name it. Please don't forget to give this video a try, and please don't forget to share this video as well. Let's grow up this channel together. If you're not there, I'm not there. So please, let's share this, and let's grow up this channel together. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.